Schlage Home App, Bluetooth connectivity issues often stem from device compatibility, firmware bugs, or environmental factors like Wi-Fi interference. Ensure your phone's Bluetooth is on. The app has necessary permissions like location for Android and no other devices are interfering. App version mismatches, resolved by manual updates, are also a common cause. Pairing mode is activated on your Schlage lock by pressing a button or using a key. This puts the lock into setup mode. During this time, the lock broadcasts a Bluetooth low-energy signal that the Schlage Home app can detect. The Schlage Home app scans for this BLE signal. Once found, it authenticates using encryption and establishes a secure connection between your phone and the lock. Pairing issues often occur if the Bluetooth signal is weak or if the app lacks required permissions. To avoid problems, make sure you're close to the lock during the pairing process. Start with the simplest solutions. Restart your phone and the Schlage Home app. Clear the app's cache to resolve temporary data issues. Ensure your lock's firmware is up to date via the app. A full reset of the lock itself may be necessary if other methods fail. Check that your phone meets the minimum compatibility requirements for the Schlage Home app. If basic fixes don't work, investigate OS-specific settings. Android phones often require enabling location permissions and nearby devices for Bluetooth to function correctly. Check for interference from other Bluetooth devices or Wi-Fi routers operating on the 2.4 GHz band. Consider using a different phone or tablet to rule out device-specific issues. Outdated app or lock firmware can lead to compatibility problems. Ensure you're running the latest version of the Schlage Home app from the App Store or Google Play. Within the app, check for available firmware updates for your lock. Keeping both up to date resolves many connectivity issues and improves security. When Bluetooth pairing fails consistently, newer Schlage locks support Matter protocol for Wi-Fi connectivity instead of Bluetooth. Matter allows seamless fallback to Wi-Fi pairing if Bluetooth fails, as seen in 60% of new Schlage locks launched in 2025. This enables remote control of your lock through platforms like Google Home or Apple HomeKit. By integrating with Matter, you bypass Bluetooth entirely for more reliable connectivity. If you've tried all basic and advanced troubleshooting steps and your Schlage lock still won't connect via Bluetooth, it's time to seek professional help. Common issues requiring expert assistance include hardware malfunctions in the lock itself or complex network problems that go beyond basic fixes. Before contacting support, document all the troubleshooting steps you've already taken. This includes basic Bluetooth fixes, app and firmware updates, and ruling out environmental interference. Contact Schlage support or hire a professional installer. Providing this documentation expedites the support process and helps identify the issue quickly.